Hello beautiful ladies, I hope you have a great day. Friends, today I am going to share with you my makeup. I picked up some makeup for my vacation. I going to vacation on for 2 weeks. So I picked up some minimalist makeup for summer vacation. I hope you enjoy the video. Friends, first I picked up this Blue Heaven primer. It's a silicone primer, oil free and non greasy. I have only one primer, so I picked up this one. Next friends, I picked up this Stay Kurki CC cream. It's lightweight, water resistant and good for summer, and it gives a natural coverage, and it feels like your skin but better, so I picked up this one. Next friends, I picked this Maybelline foundation Dream Radiant Liquid in the shade 21 Nude, so I picked this one also. Next friends, I picked up this one in done shadow from Max Factor. It's good for summer and long lasting eyeshadow. I have the shade Amazonian. Golden Amazon 20. So I picked up this one because on vacation I think that no need to big eyeshadow. Next friends, this Max Factor mascara. It's long lasting and smudge proof, so it's good for summer. This Maybelline Superstay ink crayon in the shade Stay Exceptional 25 Stay Exceptional. It's a beautiful pink purple kind shade, but in nude, so I think it's good for summer, and it's long lasting matte, so I definitely picked up this one. And I also picked this Maybelline lipstick 14 hour. Friends, I take with me only long lasting lipstick because sometimes we don't have a time to touch up. So this is beautiful nude brown shade, so I take this one. I think it's enough from here. And next friends, this is my makeup bag, and I picked some products from this one. If I make a full video on this makeup bag, I give you the link in the description box, as well as I give in the card, so you can watch this video also, that video also. Friends, from this makeup bag I picked this Superstay 24 color liquid lipstick. It's a very beautiful brick red shade. this is the shade name and number. And friends, it's two type of lipstick. One side is lip balm. It keep moisturize your lips all day. So I am very like this lipstick, so I picked this one. Next friends, I picked this ADS blush. Number is 9831. It's beautiful pink shade, and friends, it's very it's now in trend. Friends, this blush is very long lasting and stay all day long on the face. This shade friends viral on TikTok, and it's friends, this blush gives perfect glow and perfect shade for summer, so it gives a perfect glow to your skin. Friends, I think this blush shade is very perfect for Barbie makeup, which is in a trend now, so I pick this one also. So that's it friends. I think these all are going with me. So let's pack this makeup in make. So friends, let's pack all the makeup in a makeup bag. So friends, I picked this makeup bag. It's sealed. So and this makeup bag, it has so much space. So these two bags. Firstly, I put all the things in this plastic bag, because during travel sometime it keeps safe your makeup. Friends, I decide that I don't need this foundation, because it's 30 ml and this bottle is full and it's glass bottle, so I left it. And this I keep one scrunchie, and I sealed. So this is my makeup which come with me on my summer vacation. Now I put this in this bag. It's fully fitted in this one. So that's it friends. I hope you like my videos. If you like the video, then give thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.